Welcome to the info with me, HUAWEI Nova and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, to activate screen recorder, we should first open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that, somewhere here you should find screen recorder icon. Just hold for a while this icon, and now click here to microphone. So we should touch here to turn on the microphone and to turn it off. Okay, let's click here to agree and tap got it. Now here we can see on the left upper corner the screen recording just section here. If you want to use the microphone, you should click here once, and now microphone is in the just blue color, and this means that you just use it, so you can command something, for example, in your screen recordings. But if you want to use just record only mute video, you just should click here on this microphone icon, and now we can see here the crossed microphone here, so this means that it's turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.